Good day everyone, in this video I'll be explaining while and do while looping statement for both Python and Java. So first let's have Python. While loop executes some code while some condition remains true. So first let's receive user's data. Input, enter your name. So first let's try it on if else statement. If name equal to empty string, print you did not enter your name, else print, let's use f string. So hello name, let's run this. So if we skip this input, it would execute this block of code and it would end. So what if ay gusto na ako nga mag-input pagbalik ang user hantod sa na siya ma-input nga value. So diri na nato magamit ang while loop. While is copy lang na ako ning name. So while name is equal to empty string, it would execute this block of code. Let's try it. If makes it ko, skip na ko, skip, bisag kung saan na nimo mag-otro siya input hantod sa na kay may input hantod sa kining while name equals to empty string remains true, it would infinitely execute this code. If this would turn out to be false, it would print hello name. Let's try it. It would execute this block of code. It exit looping state and while looping statement. So let's try another example. Age. Let's receive user's age. Input. Try your age. We want the age to be positive. So while age is less than 0, print age cannot be, age can't be 0, age can't be negative. And I'll just copy this one. Print your age years old. So your age. So let's run. If I enter a negative number, -5, -8, -100, it would repeatedly execute this code. So to execute this code, we would like it to input a positive number. So 8. Here. So it exit the while loop statement and it continues to line number 9, which is your 8 years old. So, and remember, if while you're doing while loop, remember to have this type of code to control infinite loop. Here's an example. If I enter a negative number, it would infinitely print this code, this block of code. So that's why I put this one. To control the infinite loop. As you can see. So let's try another example. Let's say let's ask user's favorite food and risk you to quit. I'll introduce now ang logical operators, which is not. While not food equals q, print you like if users enter q, it would print this one. Let's control the infinite loop by putting this block of code. So let's run this one. So enter a food you like. Let's say ramen. You like ramen, and enter food like sushi, dragon fruit. So if you want to exit the code, just you print you enter q. So it would execute this block of code by. So let's try another. Let's try different example. Num and input enter a number between 1 to 10. Enter a number between 1 to 10. Let's receive user's input number. So while this time I'll introduce our logical statement or logical statement. While num is less than 1 or num10 is or num is greater than 10, print not valid. It's not valid. Let's just copy this. String. The number is now. So while variable while num is less than 1 or num is greater than 10, print is not valid. So if this condition is true, it would print this block of code infinitely unless you type a valid number, say 90. Not 1, 10. Your number is 10, so it would exit this while looping statement and would continue to line 9. It would print your number is 10. This one. So that's all for Python while looping statement. Bye. Next is Java. So first nag-initialize ta dire string.name, pasabutan is wala mag-enter ang user. So while name is blank, pasabot wala mag-enter ang user, it would execute this block of code. So i-run na to. Pag i-skip lang na to, skip. Magbalik-balik ka tag input hantod sa kini ma-false. So try na tog type og ngalan. So it would execute this block of code. Ni-exit na siya sa while loop. Kay na-false naman siya kay na may nabutang na value. So and do while is ngayon lang do while. Copy lang na ito. Tapos do similar lang niya siya sa while loop. Ang while is check the condition before check the condition then execute, while ang do is execute before check the condition. So do while maora gyapon sila. So run while load. So dara nag-execute siya first and then Carl, and then check niya ang condition kung name is blank. Kung ang name is blank, mustap ra siya dire. Naka-type man tag ngalan, so mao nang kanin like execute siya sa while loop or do while loop. So next example is try na tog string and let's say I 0 while ang I variable is less than 5, print I. So yan lang. So while loop ang atong tag-initialize is I is equals to 0. So 0 is less than 5. So true ni siya. So ma-print ang kan number. So try na to. I-delete lang na to sana. System loadout. So na, while 0 is less than 5, print I. So, first is 0 na. Tapos, pasutan ni is mag-increment taga matro na yung condition hantod sa ma-false. So, increment so na 1 na ning I. So, 1 is less than 5. Print 1. Which is true. Print 1. So, add na punta. Mana yung 1. So, add na punta. So, 2 is less than 5. So, print 2. So, which is 2. So, add na po. Og 300 sa ma 5 na siya is, which is false na. So, dili na siya ma-execute. Kay na false naman. So, tama na siya sa 4 kay 4 is less than 5 man. So, kung maging tag equal is tama siya sa 5. Kay 5 is less than or equal to 5. So, mawala to sa Java.